Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to do your homework for today. So go to your online classroom, go to teacher messages, and then go to Thursday, January 28th. Scroll down, first watch this video, and then do these homework. So you have 3 pieces of homework to do. No Zoom class today, but Wang Chi and Elena, you have a meeting at 1 p.m. Come to Zoom at 1. Okay, so homework number 1. Click on number 1. So there is a video about food containers. So watch this video. You just click and you watch. Then scroll down, watch the video, and then you fill in the blanks with these words. So bunch, head, bottle, bag, loaf, can, bar, box. Fill in the blanks. For example, number 1, I need a what? A can of soup. When you finish, check your answers and then scroll down again. So vocabulary, more vocabulary study, a jar of jam. Study the vocabulary. And then listen to this audio. And then again, fill in the missing words here. And finally, check your answers. Don't forget to check your answers. You have 1 checking here and 1 check here. Then go back. Number 2. So this is Sarah's shopping list. First, read her shopping list. Then scroll down. You're going to learn some vocabulary. Click here or on the picture. Now you have to find the correct word. So number 1 is fish. Number 2, you click here and you find bananas, for example. When you finished, check your answers and then go back. Now scroll down, vocabulary 2. So the same thing, you have to click on this arrow here, find the word. So this is burger. And then you can check your answers. Go back, vocabulary number 3. Same thing, click on the down arrow, apple. Finish, check your answers, and go back. Now scroll down, read Sarah's shopping list and fill in the blanks. So you click here. Okay, you read the list and then you have to copy these words here. So she makes a shopping list. She's going to buy one what? 1 what eggs? 1 dozen eggs. So you copy. And then you can check. Go back. After that, answer the questions about Sarah's shopping list. So you click here. Now there are 4 questions. Number 1, you answer. Then click here, go to number 2. Then number 3, number 4, and then finish. Go back. Now finally, you copy Sarah's shopping list in your notebooks. So this is Sarah's shopping list. You copy this in your notebooks. When you finish this activity, you go back and then you open number 3. For number 3, okay, so again, it's about shopping list. So you read this shopping list here and then you copy here. So a bunch of bananas, just copy here. A bunch of bananas, copy. And then scroll down. So you're going to write a shopping list and you're going to use container vocabulary too. So for example, for number 1 here. So you write a bunch of bananas. So look at the pictures, write a shopping list. For this homework, please do this in your notebooks. Take a picture and email this to me. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a good day.